Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. My paper pumpkin for August 2020 has arrived in the mail and I'm super excited about it. This kit is called World's Greatest and it is the August 2020 paper pumpkin kit. So let's open it up together and see what fabulousness we have on the inside. Ooh, look at all that fall stuff. So this is a very wide, bright blue ribbon, super, super gorgeous. And it looks like the color is Pacific Point. So we haven't actually had a brights color in a while, I feel like, but maybe I'm wrong on that. I'm not sure. The stamps say, "You're the best," "You deserve a medal," "Teacher, kid, friend, coach," "World's greatest," #1, and this calls for a celebration. And then there's like this medal and then this medallion item as well. So super, super cute. I feel like even a lot of these greetings can be for a lot of different things. Like "You are the best" can be just like a general card for anyone, or this calls for a celebration. Of course, could be birthday or graduation or anything like that. And then of course, "You deserve a medal." Could be, I mean, heck, any mom, I feel like, deserves a medal during this crazy time that we're in, and the decisions making and everything else with back to school and all of that. But dads too, can't forget about them as well. I just know I'm a mom, so that's kind of how that goes. But here is the September Paper Pumpkin sneak peek. It is going to be all about fall and Halloween and that sort of thing. So, and it will actually be treat boxes. They will be like cracker box style. So those like that have like the ends that are kind of like twisted and pop off or that sort of thing. So that is a little sneak peek for the September one. If you love fall or you love Halloween, that might be a kit that you want to try out. You can always try it out for 1 month. You can try it out for a few months. There's no stopping you for how many months you wish to enjoy paper pumpkin. So, you know, get just the 1 month and then stop it again, or try it out for a few months. That's all up to you. I will, of course, leave links in the description box for getting signed up for the next paper pumpkin kit. Okay, it's like opening up a birthday present. My favorite part. Ooh, look at all of those glittery stars. So we'll toss this aside. So it looks like we kind of have like a shaker card style here. You can see with the ribbon and that like medallion look and everything. Super, super cute. And then all those stars are in that like shaker look. And then this one's super cute. It has that stamped medallion there. And then this one has, oh, the world's greatest coach. That's super cute too for lots of different sports or things like that. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so we have like foam rectangles for that shaker card. So it looks like there's 3 of those, as well as some mini glue dots in there, and then all of those little gold stars. Those are super fun. There's a whole bunch in there. The other cool thing about them is they have little holes in them, so you could always like string them along something for a completely, totally different look. So super, super cute. And then, of course, like I said, the little shaker mechanism in there. And it looks like we have different envelopes. So there's the 3 different patterns. They're very masculine with those greens and blues and that plaid look, or at least that's what I think of when I see it. So there are 3 each, so a total of 9 cards, 3 each of the 3 designs. And then here's our little clear acetate sheets that go on top of the foam piece for that shaker card look. So those just stick over the top so that you can still see your stars coming through. And then, of course, we have our card bases. So it looks like the card bases are solid pattern on the top and then Whisper White on the inside, perfect for writing on. And they coordinate with each of the envelopes. So there's that one, the blues, and oh, I guess the other one actually is white. I almost didn't see it because I thought it was just one of the other pieces. Okay, so then we still have all of these pieces. So it looks like these are little die cut squares, but they actually have that stitching edge with that watercolor splash. So that's kind of cool. I love that stitching edge. It seems to be so popular with die cutting and kits apparently and everything else. So I'm not surprised to see it on there. But there's the yellow, 3 yellow rectangles and then 3 of the green ones. And then the ones for the shaker cards, it's actually this green and there's a stitching along the edge of that. And then the center pops out. I like how they saved paper on this one. But the center pops out and then there's that blue, and the blue actually has that stitching around it too. So you can see there's the stitching around there, and then there's also the stitching around here too. So much stitching. Okay, and then there's 3 sheets. You can see that there's various sizes of circles, and then 2 rectangles that are the same size, and then 2 little bitty rectangles. These are for those greetings that say coach or mom, dad, or whatever those were. Friend, coach, kid, teacher. Yes, that was all of them. I was like, did I say all of them or did I miss one? So that's what all of those are for. I'm glad that they gave you 6 so that you could stamp that little greeting on there and have room for a little bit of error if you needed to. So look at how fancy and shiny that is. Look, there's my face. But these are really, really gorgeous for those medallions. Super, super bright and fabulous. And then we have those trophies. They're just die cut out. Super fun. And then we actually have some vellum pieces, which this kind of surprises me because I think of vellum as more like elegant and fancy and stuff. So to have all of this stuff and then to have like some vellum leafy flowers is kind of crazy, but I guess it goes. So there are 2 sheets, and it looks like there's 6 total, so 12 on the 2 sheets. And there you can see it's like a little flower greenery foo-foo piece. Great to kind of lift up a background or something like that and make it kind of pop without taking away from the subtleness of the image on the back. So it looks like they actually used it. Oh, they used it on this one, but also on the back of that trophy too. So that's kind of fun and cool. And then like they use that big ribbon there and the big ribbon here. So super, super fun. I can't wait to assemble this kit and send out the cards as happy mail to friends or family or whoever I think should get a fabulous card like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of this August 2020 Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin Kit. Of course, I'll be posting the finished project on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out there, as well as get lots of other inspiration and crafting projects and ideas. So you can enjoy that. I have many, many years of blogging on there for lots of great inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.